Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
We offer a wide variety of equipment for rent on hourly, daily, weekly and even monthly basis and have everything from aerators, lawn combers, tillers and post hole diggers, to drain cleaners, floor sanders, breakers, hammers and more. Our service center can do the dirty work for you.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
At Ace, you'll find a wide selection of tools from name brands you trust including Craftsman, DeWalt and Stanley. Just remember to operate all tools according to their specifications and be sure to wear the necessary safety equipment.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
We can repair or make replacement mesh screens for all window and door sizes. As the weather heats up, come in and replace your mesh window screens to allow a crossbreeze without letting insects in the house. Come in today for an estimate on how much a new screen will cost.
Take our lead.
Most Lowe's stores currently do not rent floor sanding equipment. We spoke with customer service representatives from Lowe's who confirmed that the company does not rent out floor sanders. In general, Lowe's does not rent out any equipment other than carpet cleaners, as previously reported.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.